Hi everybody! Welcome back to my channel. My name is Jenny and ang knowledge sharing po natin today is about the Shopee Fast Shipping Program. Umpisahan natin ngayon by asking a question. Ano nga ba ang Fast Shipping Program na to ng Shopee? Well, this program will be launched starting April 1, 2024. Actually, kasabay nito yung commission fee rates update. Just in case hindi ka pa aware dun sa commission fee update, feel free to check our video regarding that kasi importante na malaman mo yan if you are a Shopee seller. So, going back with the Fast Shipping Program, ito po yung new program ng Shopee to support us, local seller, by recognizing the outstanding shipping performance. Ibig sabihin, ito yung mga seller na mabilis mag-arrange at mag-ship ng orders sa kanila. If you are part of this program, of course, you can enjoy the benefits. Ano yung mga benefits? Una na dyan, yung 1% discount on commission fee. Malaking bagay yung 1% na yan, kaya as much as possible, i-aim nyo po na makasali sa program na to ng Shopee. Especially na ngayon, meron na namang update sa commission fee rate. So, pataas ng pataas. Kaya make sure to maximize this kind of benefit. 1% is still 1%. Sayang yung 1%, kaya kailangan i-avail natin yan as seller. Next benefit is the Fast Shipping Badge. So once you become part of the Fast Shipping Program, magkakaroon yung shop nyo or yung product nyo ng Fast Shipping Badge. Actually, para sa akin, para siyang additional marketing benefits na rin. Kasi kapag nakita yan ng customer, compare sa mga seller na walang fast shipping badge, of course, mas malaki yung chance na sa shop nyo sila mag-place ng order. Alam mo naman mga customer, excited yan na makuha yung orders nila, diba? Kahit naman ikaw, kahit ako, na-amaze ako pag sobrang bilis ng shipping ng ino-order ko. Plus points talaga yan sa sellers, and you will also receive good rates and reviews coming from your customer. And then another benefit is the fast shipping shortcut filter. If you are a frequent buyer sa Shopee, for sure ako familiar ka dyan sa shortcut filter na yan. So, idadagdag yan ng Shopee, yung fast shipping shortcut filter, wherein kapag sinelect yan ng buyers, automatic ang lalabas lang na shop or products are those na merong fast shipping badge. So, kung wala yung badge mo niyan, kahit mataas yung reviews ng iyong shop or ng product mo, hindi yan lalabas kasi nga naka-filter yung ginawa ng buyer. Then last but not the least, sa benefits ng fast shipping program is yung listings inclusion in fast shipping collections page. Actually, applicable to para sa mga top sellers with local orders and listing. Automatic sa collection page, magpa-pop up doon yung kanilang mga products as well as yung shop nila if meron silang fast shipping badge. Next question, paano ka naman magiging part ng fast shipping program na yan ng Shopee? First requirement or criteria nila is of course you have to be a local seller. And then second criteria nila, kailangan na ship out mo at least 95% of your orders created from 4 p.m. of the previous day up to 4 p.m. of the current day within the same day. Para mas maintindihan natin kung paano ba kinakalculate yung duration para matagka as fast shipping, kinuha ko tong illustration coming from the Shopee Seller Education Hub. So, mag-sample tayo ngayon. So, sample tayo ng first order natin. Merong umorder sa atin kahapon. Ayan, kahapon ng 4 p.m. So, pumasok yung order ng 4 p.m. And then, meron tayong time ngayon from 4 p.m. yesterday until 4 p.m. today na i-arrange yung kanyang order. And then once na ma-arrange natin yan, automatic, dapat ma-ship din natin yan the current day until 9 p.m. Kasi yung mga couriers ngayon sa Shopee, they have a maximum pickup time until 9 p.m. every day. Unless merong announcement na magbabago ng schedule. But every day, they can pick up until 9 p.m. So, gano'n nag-work yung fast shipping. Kumbaga, kailangan kapag pumasok yung order as much as possible within the day, ma-arrange mo siya at mapapick up mo siya. Pero kung pumasok naman siya ng late, katulad ng sample natin dito, pumasok yung order ng 4 p.m. ng hapon. Siyempre, kung ikaw seller, magpapack ka pa and everything, or uwian na ng mga tao mo, hindi na aabot ng within that day, diba? Kaya merong allotted time na binigay si Shopee na if pumasok yan ng 4 p.m. onwards, meron ka namang hanggang the next day until 4 p.m. para i-arrange yan at ma-ship mo rin yung item within that day. I hope medyo malinaw ko siyang na-explain sa inyo, pero if not, feel free to ask questions sa ating video and check this illustration. For sure ako maintindihan nyo naman siya. And then last requirement or criteria to become part of the fast shipping program, of course, dapat wala po kayong penalties both sa NFR. NFR stands for non-fulfillment rate. LSR naman is late shipment rate. So, dapat wala po kayong penalties sa mga yan. Also, please note that your eligibility to receive the benefits will be assessed every 15th of the month based on your performance in the last 30 days. Ito yung seller evaluation duration. So, since April to mag-start, yung performance nyo starting February 14 up until March 15, yung pagbabasehan ng Shopee if you can be part of the fast shipping program. If hindi naman kayo makapasa, then you still have another month, March 16 to April 15, para mapasa nyo or ma-meet nyo yung mga requirements nila to become part of the fast shipping program. Next question, paano mo naman ngayon malalaman if kasama ka na sa fast shipping program? So, syempre, merong notification kayong marireceive niyan, automatic, kapag kayo ay nakapasa or na-meet nyo yung requirements ng Shopee related to this program, marireceive nyo yan sa inyong seller account. And then, kung hindi man kayo makapasa, meron din silang advisory or notification para malaman mo naman kung ano yung mga dapat mong i-improve para the next na maggawa sila ng performance review, makasama ka na as part of the fast shipping program. If in case magkaroon naman kayo ng concern about the fast shipping performance, for example, may mga cases na hindi dumating yung courier kaya nagkaroon kayo ng late shipment or nagkaroon kayo ng non-fulfillment rate dahil dun sa mga bagay na out of control ng seller, don't worry kasi pwede nyo namang erase lahat ng concern na yan sa seller service page. Again, if meron kayong appeal, hindi kayo agree doon sa naging performance review nila sa fast shipping program kasi hindi nyo naman kasalanan yan ng courier or kasalanan ng Shopee, then you may create an appeal. Kasi i-review nila yan and then, once approved, automatic naman ibabalik nila yung inyong fast shipping badge. So, these are the things that I would like to share with you. Hopefully, makatulong sa inyo. Kung ano yung sa tingin nyong makakatulong, then apply it. And don't forget to comment, subscribe, and share this information sa mga co-sellers natin para magkaroon din sila ng idea at makasali din sila sa fast shipping program, especially na ayan nga tumataas na naman yung commission fee rates natin with Shopee. If you wanted to know the updated commission rates starting April 1, 2024, please check that video. Available din yan sa ating channel. Again guys, you can browse through all the learnings that we have on this channel. For sure ako, maraming opportunities and learnings kayong makukuha. And feel free to share it to those people na possible matulungan. And see you sa ating next knowledge sharing. I hope to see you guys again and again. So thank you so much. Feel free to recommend any topic that you would like me to discuss or present to you.